Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make stuffed Easter eggs. So first you put a pan, you put some water in it, you put it on the heat, and before it boils you turn it off, and in a smaller pan you put chocolate and you put it in there until it melts. I use bittersweet chocolate. You can use white chocolate or milk chocolate as well. Once it melted, we take any Easter egg mold and we use a spoon to coat our mold with it. Be sure to put a thick layer of chocolate, and then we put it in the refrigerator, and once it hardens we take it out and we give it a second coat. Be sure that it's very thick around, especially around the edges, because the chocolate falls to the bottom of the mold and the edges are usually thin, so you have to move it around for it to be cooling off, and the chocolate gets thick and it won't fall to the bottom of the mold. So then we place it again in the refrigerator, and once it hardens, it takes more or less 15-20 minutes. We can take it out of the refrigerator and it unmolds very, very easily. If it doesn't unmold, it's kind of stuck, it's because it needs to be more in the refrigerator or our mold was dirty. So you have to be sure that the molds are always clean. If you have chocolate that dripped when you put it with the spoon, you just throw it back into the pan and then you melt it again. So that's the chocolate, and now we're going to make the filling. I made ganache, so I put 200 grams of cream over the heat. Once it was hot, I took it out of the heat and I poured 200 grams of chocolate, and I let the chocolate melt inside the cream. And then you mix it and let it cool a bit. I got some Nutella and I put it in my chocolate egg. I put around 120 grams of Nutella, and then I got the ganache and I poured it over the Nutella and I filled it almost to the top, and then I let it cool a bit, and then I got 3 Ferreros and I put them on the Easter egg, and then I got these chocolate wafers that they're like little sticks, and I put them as well. And then I wanted to make the edges look nicer and neater, so I put some milk jam. But if you don't have milk jam, because this is in Argentina, you can use buttercream, or you can use cream, or you can use ganache, fudge, whatever you guys like. And then I just melted some white chocolate and I just poured a bit on top of it, for any type of decoration. You don't have to do this if you don't want. And that's it. I sell them like this and people really love them. They taste fantastic. You just put them in a box or any plastic container and you can sell them or just eat them. Hope you liked it. Bye. Happy Easter.